Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Rhonda. So this is a quick video and kind of glad it's quick because one of my comments lately was that I need to get to the point and I talk too much. I'm sorry. You know, I get so excited about yarn and what I'm doing that maybe a bit of a blabbermouth, but whatever. I'm doing my best here. But anyways, I finished this top. I actually wore it this evening and I got one compliment. I had my friend tell me it was very special. So I'm going to stand up and show you. And I did change it because this is actually a poncho pattern that I got it from, but I actually cinched it in here or attached it here and made these sleeves and turned it into a top. And I actually tried to model it. And it's a good thing I'm not a model. I'm not going to quit my day job. I did the best I could. And yeah, so it was made with, if you haven't seen my other video where I talk about this yarn B stitch 150/50 because it is 50% acetate, 50% modal. I had it gifted to me, so I was very appreciative of that and really enjoyed using it. Colorway Apricot, and it is washable. It's a 4-weight, very silky, and has a nice little sheen to it. It is 180 yards and 3.5 ounces or 165 meters, 100 grams, and really pretty yarn. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Very comfy. I like it. I think it has a nice drape. So I was calling it Modal, but I've since heard that it's Modal, even though there's others like me who pronounce it Modal, but I think it's Modal. So that's what this is made of. And if you're curious about those fabrics, please check my video where I talked about what acetate is and what modal is and the pros and cons. And this is really soft, so I really like it. This is in the colorway Apricot. And again, if you haven't seen that video, I'll just go over it again. As I said, it's 50% acetate, 50% modal. And this is a yarn that is a Hobby Lobby yarn. And even though I'm Canadian. And one other thing, I got a bit of happy mail from a friend. Her name is Donna Kerbel. She wanted to be mentioned, and I'm going to give you her links below. She's a fabulous artist, and she also has a business where she helps people organize and tidy up. And so I'm going to give you her links, the links that I have below in my description box. So please take a look at her pages and check out what she does, because you know we all help each other out. And she sent me this yarn. It is just yarn she had. There's no labels. It's interesting. She had actually tried some of one of them, and that's the sample. This is one of those people who I speak about that only likes natural fibers. Although she wasn't sure what this is made of, but it's really interesting. Really pretty color, turquoise and other lovely colors. And I don't know how much you can see of this yarn. It has like threads. I've never used something like this before, and she wasn't really sure what it was. Can you see that? Because if you've used anything like this, please comment below, because I'm really curious what this is. It kind of feels like cotton, but I'm not sure. And then there was another small one, and this is like a chain spun, really pretty colors. It's small. I guess I could make a little baby's hat for a little girl. Really pretty with the fuchsia pink and blue and aqua. I like that. So that's the other one. And then there's this wool yarn, which she said is very good wool. Pretty beige color. Looks heathered. There's 2 big balls, so I could make something. It looks like a coconut. Just noticed that. But that's in the camera. Anyways, it is woolly. It feels woolly. You can't be sensitive to wool with this, but it is a natural fiber and very neutral tones. So between the two of them, definitely I could make a hat and maybe a cowl, but I don't think I'd want this near my neck. So I'm not really sure that I would be making this for somebody's neck unless it was lined or something. But so I'm not really sure. A couple of hats might be good. So that's really it. Just, I wanted to show you this completed top that I made. Now I am pulling out yarn and trying to figure out what I want to do next. So I always have something on the go and something to show you when I'm done. And I just thought I'd show you a little bit of this happy mail, and I will link you to Donna Kerbel's pages below. So please take a look. You can let me know what you think of this. As I said, it was a poncho and I turned it into a poncho top, which I like much better because the sleeves just go down to here as opposed to all the way down to the bottom. And that's it. So have a great day, have a great evening, and I will be back soon. Bye for now.